So the more I get my head out of my butt, and the more I like get out and I'm in my element, I'm in my, this is me. When I'm more in my higher vibing self and not all caught up and feeling sorry for myself, then things seem to open up naturally in a really cool way. It's like surreal. It's like surreal. Really, I mean, what are the chances? I go through the shoot and that lady, she caught me and then she started telling me that story, her story, which was really interesting. And it gave me an idea of doing a completely different, maybe like a different. A few years ago, I had this idea of doing people of Galilee, people of Israel, interesting people, and going around and actually just talking to people and having them tell their stories and how they started doing what they're doing. And I actually, right when I wanted to start doing that, I went and I got myself one of those a rachfan, one of those things that one of those things that fly that take pictures. I forget right now what it's called, but I went and got me one of those. And I got a camera. I think that I got a phone with a really good camera. I don't think that's the same phone that I have now, but that was at the beginning of the corona, because I wanted to start, because I know so many people that are like super, super, super unique. And I wanted to start like interviewing people. And I actually did like 5 interviews, I think.